Hi, today I'm going to be talking about how to change the default color scheme in Desmos. I'm going to be presenting a technique that was posted by Jacobulus, however they pronounce their name, on Reddit, to change the color scheme. And if you're interested in seeing the post where I learned about this, here is a direct link to the post. Um, so let's say you're working in Desmos. In Desmos, there is a default color scheme with red, blue, green, orange, gold, green, purple, and black. And those are nice and easily distinguishable colors, and easy for people with different eyesights to be able to see the colors, distinguish between the colors. But perhaps you'd like to change the colors in your scheme. So to do that, let's finalize our image, and then let's choose a palette, a color palette that you'd like to put in your for your graph. So let's go, for example, there's a number of different websites where you can choose interesting color palettes. Here's one of them. You can see there's some variety of choices. At the top of the screen here, you can say I'd like to focus on something that's more green. So here's a pleasant color palette. In this color palette, you can see that there are some colors specified, and there's these HTML colors. This code right here, 111B1E, corresponds to this greenish navy color. And the key thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to copy these codes exactly so that we can import those colors into Desmos. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the bottom of this notebook, and here's a list of some colors that Jacobulus created. We're going to replace some of them, but we'll leave some of them as well. So let's take 111B1E and make that our first color. And then we copy and paste this 2F4C58, and we'll put that here. And then we'll choose the 63A5B3, 83. We're copying and pasting into this spot. 6E93D6. We're copying and pasting it here. And then E4DBD9. We're going to paste in the fourth one. Alright, so once you've filled out as many colors as you want for your graphs, we're going to copy and paste this code. So we're copying all of it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to modify the settings of this page, the JavaScript settings of this page. So to do that, we need to go to the JavaScript console. Now, a shortcut in Firefox, and I understand Chrome as well, is to hit the F12 key. And when you do that, you get these option inspectors. And what we'd like to do, we need to go to the console. I mean, if you look in here, you can actually see all the details about the HTML code that's underlying the page. We're going to be modifying it. So head over to the console tab, and what we're going to do is we're going to paste this code right here into the console space. So Control V, and then enter. If the first time I did this, I had a warning that said, are you really sure you want to paste this code in? Because what you're doing is you're putting in code, and it might, if it's code that you can't trust, it's going to modify the web page, and it might infect your computer. This code is just fine. And what we've done now is we've updated the settings. You can see this, we've updated the settings. We're keeping the white background, that's this inverted colors false. If you make it inverted colors true, the background will be a black background instead. And then we're specifying what the colors are. So By specifying what these colors are, now if we go to the choices that there are here, instead of the colors, the red, blue, green, purple, black, and gold, we now have the colors that we placed before. So now you can manually change the colors, just like you change the colors anytime in Desmos, and you can change them manually. Hold, click, hold, click, hold, click, hold, click, etc. And now what that means is we're going to have our custom colors that we want in this graph. Click, hold, click, hold, click. And now the colors in the Desmos graph are exactly what we wanted them to be. All right, that's super exciting because that just opens the possibilities to much more colorful, but also more complex ideas, and there's many more things to think about once you get to that step. I would suggest finalizing the colors after you've created your graph. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.